Well, good afternoon, where I'm at in North Carolina. My story started years ago, and it has just progressively been worse and worse. I'm type 2 diabetic, I've had past addiction problems, and I thought my dental insurance would be okay, and I found it was even too expensive to do the fixing that needs to be done. I've had some teeth pulled in the past, and I have some that are loose and just literally falling out of my gums, and I just had no self-confidence at all. My husband did everything that he could to be able to help in this situation. He too has some dental problems, but it's not as harsh as what mine are, because you can see. And my top. And yes, you may say that, well, my teeth don't look near as bad as that. That's okay. Anybody that is having some dental problems and at least has 4 teeth on the top and 4 teeth on the bottom can be a customer with pop-on veneers if they so choose to. I unfortunately, a few months ago, bought a random pair that I saw on an ad in a game, and it was like $40. And my husband was okay with it. He said, well, at least try these out and then go from there. Well, I didn't pay attention. They were shipped from China, and they were just a basic, put the glue in the form and put them on. Like, they wouldn't even fit in my mouth. So there was no way I could get my money back. I couldn't ship them back. And my husband said, you've been getting these ads for pop-on veneers. Let's go take a look at them and some of the reviews and the cost. And my husband was like, I think we can do this for you. And why don't we go ahead and get them so that way you have them for our vacation when we go back home to see our family and friends. And the good news is that I am surprising them. Nobody, I don't think, knows out there except for one person that I'm bringing back my smile with my pop-on veneers. And literally I've worn them for at least 30 minutes every day in the last 10 days. More than that, I'm working on a 2-hour slot right now, and singing really does help. I'm not gonna lie. I sing everything. I'm eclectic, and I do lots of stuff when I sing, and it definitely does help the slurring and the speech impediment you may have. But all in all, it has been great. Pop-on veneers is definitely the way to go. They're affordable. They're a good product if you do not have dental coverage or cannot afford the dental procedures that you do in fact need done. So give me a moment and I'm going to go ahead and put mine in, because they're just going to click into place. These are my bottom ones. Hear that click? And these are my top ones. You just got to make sure they're secure. And now my husband loves to see me smile. Thank you, Pop-on Veneers. You've been great. And I look forward to keeping you guys around for the long haul. Think about Pop-on Veneers today.